Remember all the hype around the Steam machine, back when it was first announced in November 2025? Well, Valve's hybrid PC console is finally becoming a real thing, but getting your hands on one is turning into a total chaotic lottery. Valve finally dropped the official pricing and ordering details last Monday, and they decided to handle the massive demand by running a high-stakes raffle. For 3 straight days leading up to Thursday evening at 7 p.m., hopeful gamers could sign up for up to 4 different package queues depending on which version they wanted. By Friday night, Valve pulled the names out of a hat and sent out emails to the lucky winners. But here is the catch. Even if you won a spot, Valve is not letting you buy the console right away. They are just putting you in a reservation queue that they hope to clear out by the end of the year, meaning you receive a purchase link only when the hardware is physically ready to ship. If you missed out on this initial lottery, you are looking at a minimum 6-month waiting list just to get a glimpse of one. The whole pricing structure is heavily impacted by the insanely high cost of memory and solid-state drives right now, which probably threw a massive wrench into Valve's original budget plans. It has sparked a huge debate in the gaming community about whether the performance matches the price tag, especially when compared to traditional consoles. A lot of tech enthusiasts are actually wishing Valve would sell a bare-bones version of the Steam machine without any RAM or storage included, so users could just buy their own cheaper parts and plug them in. It is going to be incredibly interesting to see how long it takes for this thing to be regularly available on store shelves without any waiting lists.